Howdy, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with my March How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am, I have pulled multiple kits instead of just one for the month. I have found that I kind of want to do themed, and I like the way I did my kit in February. So I'm going to kind of do the same thing where I take a bunch of kits and then break them down and put them in individual kits for all my videos. So I am going to just do a little overview real quick right here, and then stay tuned because I will come back and show how I break things down. So I wondered if I should use my basic gray again. I did pull two basic gray kits. This is the Marjolaine kit, and this one is the Piccadilly, and I'm kind of wanting to do themed each month. It's not really themed, but like for March, you think St. Patrick's Day, rainbows, lucky, all of those things, and I will scrapbook some of that probably, but I'm going to use everyday pictures but kind of pull things in for those colors, but kind of keep it seasonal. So I thought this one was really pretty. It has some good color bases. It has, of course, alphabets and things in it, but I feel like this has some really good bases for some it has lots of greens and things like that in it. Just stuff that could be used for rainbowish pages or St. Patrick's Day. This one is very green. Has a lot of green patterns in it. So I think it will be really pretty. I did pull, this one isn't really a kit. This is all of my St. Patrick's Day papers that I have in general that I've just kept together from paper pads when I tore them out. So I might use some of those. And I pulled my rainbow. It's really thick. This one just has any rainbow multicolor type papers in it. So it's not all necessarily rainbow, but I'm sure I will use some of it. You can see some of it's like ombre papers. Lots of different things in here, but I will pull out some that can be used. I pulled this out. This one is from Close to My Heart. This one's the Skylark collection, and it has lots of greens in it. So, and like blues. I think it will work good. So, I pulled it. And some of these kits, like this one, it's been used up a lot, so there's not a whole lot of it left. Same with this. This one is just bits and pieces, but I had it in my my bin, and because it's still all together. This one's a Simple Vintage Weathered Garden, and I have a bunch of stickers and ephemera, title pieces, things like that with it. There's a few green pieces left in it, but I figure this one will be good to work on using up if I want to focus on the greens. So that'll give me some embellishments. I still need to pull all of my embellishments. I have pulled my pictures. So we'll see what happens. I pulled this one. It has some things I thought could work well, rainbowy. You know, I'll probably, I'm sure, do birthday. Well, I know I will because I pulled some birthday pictures. I pulled some nature pictures. Let's see. This one's birthday. Tyler Senior pictures, birthday, laser tag, birthday, nature, garden club, graduation, canning, vacation. So I have lots of pictures pulled. We'll see how far I get with it. And then I also pulled this since it was birthday, and I have lots of birthday that I'm going to do. This one was the Cake Day from Close to My Heart. And then I have this one, And I absolutely love the colors of it. I ordered this off of Peachy Cheap. So you got like a few different things with it. It came with this tape. This is a Bella Boulevard collection called Squeeze the Day. And then it came with ephemera, these little pops. And I don't even know. It has all this ephemera. I think I used this maybe one time. It has some rainbow acrylic pieces, some strawberries. And I just have it all stuck in here together. Like I said, I've used a few little pieces of the paper, but it's very bright. It has rainbows, and I thought, you know, it could go really good. This is more, and this one's chipboard. I haven't even used any of this. So, I think this will go really good. I really love this collection. I bought it, and then the fruit kind of stopped me in my tracks, and I was like, what in the world am I going to do with this? So, maybe I'll get some ideas to use it up this month. So, that is what I have pulled. Of course, I will need to pull cardstock, and I'll pull embellishments. I have my pictures already ready. So, I will pull what I want from these and kind of put some kits together, and then I will come back and show you. Okay, so I kind of have my kits together for the month, and I did them a little bit different this time. I didn't pull a whole bin of little extra things. I kind of just threw them in these, and I decided this month to use these sleeves. I want to keep these together because they're kind of the same. But I pulled paper. I kind of pulled embellishments, what I could find. I may still have to add. I know I'm going to probably pull out my alphabets again and try to use some of those up. But I may have to create some stuff on the Cricut. Like I pulled graduation stuff. This one was my son Tyler's graduation. This one was from senior photos. This one I just left in the bag. This was all the bits and pieces I had left of this collection. And I just stuck my pictures in here. I haven't added any papers because I still kind of have a random assortment out. So, whenever I break it down, of course, I'll show you guys before I start. With this one is, and I put photos in each one. This one's photos from Kaylee's dinosaur birthday. I put all the dinosaur stuff that I could find. I pulled this paper collection to go with it. This one's a Close to My Heart Skylark because I felt like it had good colors that would, you know, be dinosaur-y. So, that's what I pulled for that one. This one was for Vivian's birthday party, and y'all know she can't be on social media, but I have the stack of pictures in here, and she had a Rio-themed birthday party, and so I pulled, I'm going to use this squeeze. I actually combined two together. I have the Cake Day Close to My Heart set together, and then I have this Squeeze a Day kit that I had for quite some time. And I was a little bit stumped on what to do with it because it has lots of oranges and like lemons and things like that in it. And of course I'll show y'all each one when I actually film it. But I AI generated some stuff that was kind of looked like from the Rio movie and printed it out. And I think this will work out great. I never thought about it because since Rio is like a tropical themed movie, South American, you know, you think fruit and I think more Hawaii, I guess, but tropical, I think pineapples and, you know, all those things. So, I think this will work good with this, and then I pulled some birthday embellishments to go with it, because it, like I said, it was from her birthday party. And then, I'm going to do lots of birthday this month. Even though y'all know I'm doing like the rainbow St. Patrick's green theme for the month, but I'm going with lots of birthdays and then other things that can use green. This one is from Lainey's Rainbow Birthday Party, and you can see I have embellishments. I have some rainbow papers I pulled and put in here, and I actually combined another kit with the loose papers, and this one is, it may actually be called the Good Life. Nope, Hip Hip Hooray. So, I'm combining those together for my kit, and then I put, like I said, extra little embellishments, things like that in them. And then I figure I'll just pull like my bling or wood veneer or ribbon, or if I want anything like that when I get to specific kits, stamps, dies, things like that. I think this month I kind of want to plan ahead and do all the die cutting and all that before I actually sit down to scrapbook, so that it kind of saves time for me. This one is us going playing laser tag, and I tried to AI generate some stuff because I had nothing. And all it would kind of give me was more paintball type stuff, but I'm gonna make it work. I'll fussy cut these out and use them. And then I just pulled some of the random paper to match the colors of the pictures. This one is a dishes layout. I AI generated some stuff. I want to kind of fussy cut it. I did colors kind of matching, so we'll see where that goes. This one I haven't pulled any embellishments. This one is Garden Club pictures, which I thought kind of fitted in with the green theme. We were making flower arrangements for a benefit, and I did pull some papers that can kind of go with that. I just haven't got into my garden and spring embellishments, which is where all my flower stuff is, but I will find something and add it, and you'll see that when I film. Same thing with this one, more Garden Club. This one is Vacation, and I don't remember why I pulled that. Probably just because it's random. It's colors of the Old Mill. We got Long John Silver's when we went. The lodge we stayed at. Lots of things. Wildlife. So it's kind of naturey, but along with the rainbow theme. And we did go in March on spring break. So we'll see how this one shakes out. And then this one is going to be canning. I know I did one layout of this already. But I need to finish off these pictures. I have enough for a layout, and I just pulled some green papers, and I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use for the embellishments, but y'all will see it when I get to it. I have all of my inspiration here pulled. I have sketches that I've found on Pinterest. I have the 30 days of sketches. I have all of these from Paper Issues, and I have all of these from Sweet Shop Designs, which I absolutely love. I think it's actually just showing their product, how you can use it, the digital product, but I like to use it as sketches. So I have all this. I don't know how much I'll actually play along with 30 days of sketches this month. I know there's not an everyday commitment. I cannot do it. I'm still recovering from surgery, and I'm not sure what's going to happen there yet. So, I hope that you guys will join me this month and create those kits for how to kill a kit with style, and check out everyone else playing along. And until next time, bye y'all.